Hey guys, this is Ravi Padmanabhan here, and today we are going to discuss on one interesting company, which is Paras Defense and Space Technologies. So, what exactly is this company? Why it is catching the attention of the market? So, let's look at it. So, the stock actually came out with an IPO last month, September 2021. They raised around 170 crore from the market. The IPO was greatly oversubscribed, tremendously oversubscribed, and you will be able to find that this is a very small sized IPO. So almost it got 300 times. They were just raising around 170 crores, but it had more than 300 times oversubscription. So that was the demand. So the IPO price was between 165 to 175. But what happened was that this attracted a lot of investors. So people who did not get allotment, they started to buy on the listing. So after they bought, the stock has been continuously on the momentum, and from 175 rupees, it got listed in the first day. The stock listed around closed at around 490 rupees on day one. So that was a huge day, almost like you got close to 3 times whatever you had looked at applying for that IPO. From 175 rupees, you got almost a 3x return. But let's look at what is happening today. In just less than 3 weeks time, Paras Defense from 175 rupees IPO. Today, if you look at what is happening in the BSE, the stock is at 1211. So almost imagine that from 175 rupees, the stock is now 1211. So what is happening to the stock? Why there is such a huge demand? The answer is that you need to understand that I looked at the fundamentals. Yes, they are in a promising space where they are one of the few companies which are having the technology, but does it really merit such a huge growth? That is a key question which needs to be answered. So if you look at the annual report of the company has just made around 15 crore of profit. Last year, FY21, it's just made around 15 crore of profit. So that's the size of the company. And if you look at even in terms of the market cap, what the currently the company is trading at is that the market cap is pretty huge. And you are able to find that this market cap is roughly around here around 4,200 crores. This is our yesterday. Today it is more than 10% up. So the P is around 200 times earnings. So even if there is a great growth coming in, what is happening is that we are actually discounting everything in the future. We are expecting this, the market right now is expecting this company to go tremendously well, but I doubt whether this will happen because what has happened is that there are a lot of players who have mopped up these shares on listing. So if you can look at it, the stock has very less volume traded, and people who have accumulated the shares, they are not selling, and retail investors are just looking at the price rise. So retail investors, what is happening is that they are just looking at the price which is going up here and they are buying the stock. But you have to understand that the price has gone up on very less volumes, and those who have accumulated the stock at earlier levels, they are going to offload it at any time. So I would say, like, be cautious on the stock. See, just think for a moment. If a promoter, he sold a stake at 175 rupees, he is valuating the share and he's selling the stake, and there is not big difference in terms of the fundamentals over the last 1 month, there is absolutely no reason for the stock to jump 6 times in just a period of 3 weeks. So I would say, like, be cautious. In a bull market, it is very easy to just be carried away by the price. And a lot of times people look at technicals. And what happens with technicals? Technicals do not tell the story, guys. It does not tell the story behind it. See, technicals, it gives a strong buy indicator, but technicals do not see what is behind the scenes. So if you're an investor, if you're looking at IPO, if you're seeing a stock which is running up, don't get carried away by it, because I would say, like, always look at the fundamentals and look at buying stocks with the right valuations, because that approach will surely make you a lot of money. So thank you guys for listening to this video. If you are looking forward to more such videos, just put your comments in the video so that we will be able to see. If you have any specific questions, we'll also be looking at giving it in further form of updates in future. So thank you guys. Thank you for listening. And if you really like what we shared, probably share to those who are looking at applying in IPOs, because that would give them a lot of inputs on what to do and what not to do. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.